We're going to show a demonstration of the Brandmotion Direct Connect iPod adapter installation into a 2008 Ford F-150 with the navigation radio. This will show exactly how easy it is to install our navigation adapter into your vehicle. First thing we're going to do is we're going to check and make sure that our vehicle radio is compatible with the adapter. So I turn the vehicle on. The radio comes up. And I'm going to hit Menu, System Information, and I read the radio part number right here on the screen. So this is a compatible radio according to the Brandmotion guide. So we can go back and I can turn off the vehicle. First step is to take off the radio bezel. I do that by opening the ashtray door and I gently pry up underneath the bottom of the radio bezel. And I work my way up along the sides until I get to the top. The next step is I take the airbag warning light connector out by pushing on the tab underneath the bottom here. At this point, I'm just going to move this out of the way and be careful not to scratch any of my interior. Now, we can see that this navigation radio is also equipped with the satellite radio receiver. This is good because now we only have to make one connection to connect to the vehicle. I'm going to remove the connector from this S-Stars box, leave it right there so I can access it. I'm going to access my Brandmotion harness, and it has a split connector on each end. This end goes into the satellite box. The other end goes into the female connector. So I've tucked the excess harness underneath the satellite receiver. Now I take my Brandmotion adapter box and I make the connection to the other end of the wire harness. And then I take my iPod connection cable and I connect square L end into the adapter box. And then I'm going to run the other end down into the glove box. But before I do that, I want to test the system to make sure that it's functioning. So I'm going to set everything down. I'm going to turn my vehicle back on. We're going to have radio power up. So the radio is back connected. I'm going to take my iPod. I'm going to make connection. And I'm looking for the Brandmotion logo to come up, which tells me that the adapter is working and now this is connected through satellite radio. So now I'm going to hit satellite 1. It says iPod. Everything's working fine. So now that everything works there, I can continue with the installation. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to affix my iPod adapter box to a surface underneath here. And I could even do it to the underside of the satellite radio or to one of the members of the side panels in here. I'm just going to fix that right in here with my Velcro that's included. And I'm going to run my cable down through the back and into the glove box area. To get the glove box out, basically there's a couple of stops on each side here, and that just lowers right down. Now I can reach through here. Here's my glove box and my cord, and I'd use the included glove box holder to install that right in the side here, and I'd reinstall everything and we'd be ready to go. Basically reconnecting the wire up on top and then placing the bezel back in place, and we're finished. So that's pretty easy. That's pretty typical. Brandmotion Direct Connect iPod adapter. It's plug and play. And now you've got fully controlled iPod tunes through your Ford factory radio.